back to my channel. My name's Tash, I'm pretty posh, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited that you're here today. If you're new, don't forget to click that button down below, subscribe so you don't miss any of the joy that I have to bring to you this year. If you are a returning subscriber, I want you to know that I would die for you. I would take a bullet if you need me to. Okay, so today's video, by the title, like you guys can tell, or as you can tell by the title, we are doing an apartment tour. I went and toured this literally today. It was the Battery at Ballpark, I think it's called. They are literally in an amazing location. Let's jump into the maps really quick and take a look where they are. Okay, so like normal, the red pin is exactly where the apartments are located, and they are located literally right next door to Coors Field. If you are a baseball fan, that is great for you because you literally don't ever have to pay for an Uber. You can walk across the street. Not only that, but if you go down Blake Street, you will come across some really amazing restaurants. One of my favorite places for brunch is over here. Where's it at? It's called the Pig and the Sprout. I talk about it all the time. You need to go there and get their brisket bennies and their bacon Brussels sprouts. They are phenomenal. There are literally so many different restaurants down here, from sushi options to literally putting a pack together at Whole Foods or the Denver Milk Market. There are so many different options, and if you don't want to eat downtown, that's totally fine. You can just cross over the bridge over here and go to the Happy Camper, which is a really popular spot. A lot of people like to go there and hang out, and also Avanti, which is right here. The Happy Camper has really delicious pizzas, and Avanti has bangin' burgers. Definitely go check out all of those places. So now that you guys know exactly where these apartments are located, let's talk about these apartments really quick. So I was able to tour 3 units again, and just because I am kind of starting to shop around a little bit for my next apartment, so I am really trying to look at everything. So I toured a studio, a 1-bedroom with a den, and then a 2-bedroom because I don't know what I want, to be honest. I just want to cut down on costs, but I want to find something nice that I like with lots of windows and that's like in a really good location. They all have the same features, so I'm just, like the last video, gonna go over the features and display one of the apartments for you and then do the rest at the end. They have, I believe it is wood, like real wood flooring in all of the units except for the first floor. The first floor has concrete, and the unit that I saw on the first floor was actually the studio loft. They have those on the first and the top floor. And if I personally were gonna live there in one of the studios, I would choose one on the top floor for sure, just because you're gonna get the most light there. You have a granite countertop in all of the units. It's like a black and white with like silver specks in it. It's really pretty. So in the studio, everything is just kind of smaller. I guess you could kind of say maybe it's a micro studio. It's 500 square feet, so maybe it's not a micro studio. I don't really know what classifies as a micro studio, but you have your full-size washer and dryer, and apparently they're like special washer and dryers that like wash and dry extra fast, so that's super nice. You do have like a coat closet. The bedrooms are honestly pretty big, like in all of the units across, at least the ones that I toured. In the studio, the bedroom area was pretty big. Like he said that somebody fit a California king in that room. I was like, what? Oh my god, I believe it though. But the closet is really small in the studio, and the other the rooms are really big. They're oddly shaped and really big, and the closets are huge in those units. The bathrooms are also huge in the other units. I mean, honestly, that's pretty much it. Some of the units have Juliet balconies, some of them have full balconies, some of them don't have balconies. and some of them have front doors like the level 1 studios. They have 2 levels of parking garages and they're indoor. And also something that's really nice about this place, he didn't give me a list of the fees. He's gonna email me them on Thursday. So if somebody watches this video after Thursday and I don't have the fees in the description box for you, can you please comment and remind me, because I will forget. But he told me that the parking there is only $75 a month. So this is a freaking fabulous location, you guys. The studio was about $1,600 a month. The 1 bedroom started at the low 1900s, and then the 2 bedroom was about $2,400. And I think those are really, really good prices for being in the city. And I also asked if they have concessions, which are the like deals, you know, 6 weeks free, 1 month of rent free, whatever it may be. He said that they do, depending on availability. I don't really have much else to talk about for this apartment. I feel like we should just get straight into it, right? Okay, let's do it. Before I show you guys the other 2 units, I just want to say thank you guys so much for coming to today's video. I really appreciate it. If you enjoy this video once it's over, please subscribe, click the like button, and leave me a comment down below about the fees and also letting me know what you liked about this apartment. And yeah, I will see you guys on Saturday. Oh, something I wanted to mention really quick. I'm sorry I didn't post the video this Saturday. I'm gonna post it on this Saturday coming up because I got scared. I feel like my video sucks, but I'm posting on Saturday. You guys be the judge. We'll see. Bye.